Hey there, I'm Freddie Servin, your go-to independent insurance broker, and today I want to talk to you about something that's near and dear to my heart: protecting your pond maintenance business. If you're like me, you love the peace and tranquility of a well-maintained pond, but you also know that running a pond maintenance business comes with its own set of risk, and that's why we're diving into the four most important coverages in a general liability policy that every pond maintenance business owner should have. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk about bodily injury. This one is huge, folks. You're out there making people's ponds look beautiful, but what if something goes wrong? Maybe a client trips over a hose you left out, or a heavy piece of equipment falls and injures someone. This covers medical bills and legal fees, and those could pile up fast. So bodily injury coverage is your safety net. It's there to step in when the unexpected happens, so you can focus on what you do best without fear of a lawsuit ruining everything you've worked so hard to build. And number two is property damage. Now let's talk about property damage. We've all know accidents could happen. Maybe a rock from a pond you're working on gets kicked up and cracks a window, or a chemical spill damages a client's expensive landscape. Property damage coverage is what keeps you from having to pay out of pocket for those kind of mishaps. It's about peace of mind and confidence, knowing you're covered if something goes wrong on the job. And in this line of work, that peace of mind is priceless. And number three is completed operations coverage. Now, let's talk about completed operations coverage. This one's a bit different because it kicks in after you finish the job. Imagine you've just wrapped up a beautiful pond installation, and a few weeks later the client notices a leak that caused significant water damage. Even though you've moved on to the next project, that's still your responsibility. Completed operations coverage ensures you're protected from claims that arise after the job is done. It's like having a safety net that extends beyond the work site, giving you the confidence to stand by your work, knowing that you're covered even after you've packed up your tools. And lastly, number four is legal defense costs. So lawsuits could come out of nowhere, whether it's a client unhappy with the outcome of your work or a third party claiming damages. Even if you're in the right, legal battles can drain your finances and your energy. Legal defense coverage steps in to cover the cost of defending yourself in court, attorney fees, court costs, and even settlements if it comes to that. This coverage ensures that a legal dispute doesn't wipe out your business or your peace of mind. It's about protecting not just your business, but your future. Now, I know we've covered a lot today, and maybe you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. That's where an independent insurance broker comes in. My job is to make sure you're not just getting something off the shelf, but one policy that is tailored specifically for your needs. Every pond maintenance business is unique, and there may be other coverages that you might need that we didn't touch on today. Maybe you need professional liability, tools and equipment coverage, or something more. I'm here to help you navigate those choices and customize a policy that fits your budget. And remember, your business is your passion, and protecting it should be too. Don't leave it to chance. Reach out today. Click the link in the description box below to get a customized quote from me, one of our expert insurance brokers. Let's work together to make sure that your business is covered, so you can keep creating those beautiful, peaceful ponds that bring joy to so many. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.